Okay, we have two types of glass frames. One with the whiter interior and the one without. The one with the white interior is for inside, and the one without it is for outside. So as you can see, there are two. There's one with the white inside and one without it. So the white inside again is for the one with the whiter inside is for the inside, and the one without it is for outside. Like I mentioned before, when taking out the frame from the door, you start from the base of the door, from the inside. You put a screwdriver through the base, you see a hole, a little hole at the base, and you just use that to lift it up a little bit, then you can use your hand to pull it out. As you can see. Make sure you take it out one by one and not pull everything out at once. Gently, step by step. Okay, the next step, once the cover is out, is you unscrew the white covering, the white interior. Once the glass frame is taken out, and you have your glass on the surface or on a table, there are two things you have to know. Where's the inside, where's the outside, where's the top, and where's the bottom of the glass. So you put the glass on a table with outside facing upwards. Then you take the outside of the glass frame and you put on top of the glass. You take the glass with the glass frame and you flip it around. Then you take your door. You take your door with the inside facing up and you put on top of the glass and the glass frame. As you remember, for the inside frame, there are two parts. There's the white part and there's the brown part. You take the white part, you put on top of the door and the glass. Make sure all the angles go in. Then you screw. So once you screw the white part of the inside frame all around, you take the top part of it and you put on it just like this. And you just clip it all the way around. And that's it.